Vechain price prediction in this video we are going to do, so keep watch till the end. In this video I'm talking about the tomorrow price of the Vechain, my friends, so keep watch. And if you are new to my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribe to my channel, my friends. At this time the Polygon Matic, first of all I want to ask one question from everyone: is Vechain a good investment or not? Is Vechain a good investment or not, my friends? Tell me in the comment box. And now the current situation of the Vechain is going positive. Positive 0.121% pricing is positive. And at this time the the Vechain is absolutely ready for the moon. There is no doubt. Let me show you, my friends, the technical analysis, the next move of the Vechain on the price chart, on the trend line. My friends, you know already that the price of Vechain is very badly fast down in a previous time. Very badly, and now from the chart it is clear. Everyone can understand from the chart that the price of Vechain is very badly fast down. Let me show you, my friends, the next target. My friends, you can see that is the next target for a Vechain, and the next target of Vechain is absolutely going to the moon. So that's mean that Vechain will make you millionaire. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.